Welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. I created this pocket, well, these pockets, in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis. And each one of these matchbooks open, and you have writing space inside of each one. And so I will show you how I created it, and I'll show you how they open in just a minute. Today you're going to need 3 to 4 small pieces of paper, rectangle shaped, about 3 inches by 6 inches. I am going to use this paper. This is a vintage retirement system paper for the United States Civil Service Commission in Washington, D.C. I'm going to go ahead and use this. As you can see, I jelly printed on it previously. Old paper is really thick. I don't know if you guys know that, but vintage paper is typically really thick and strong. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I think it'll be great. You'll also want a staple or even brad fasteners, glue, double stick tape, decorative papers, and your embellishments. I've got my 3 papers and they all measure 3 inches by 6 inches. Each pocket is going to get folded up an inch to create your matchbook flap. I'm going to take my paper pieces. These can be scraps or whatever you would like them to be. And I'm going to go ahead and staple them into my matchbook. I added the paper right here, and then I closed the flap just like you would an actual matchbook. And now I'm going to add these little papers because they coordinate with my backing sheet. So I'm going to add glue and then add one of those little scraps to the front. All right, my friends, this is my backing paper. So now I'm going to stack the matchbooks onto the backing paper. All right, so the first one's going to go down, and I'm putting the bottom one down first so that they can stack in such a way that all of them will be able to open. I'm going to overlap just a little bit here because I want to make sure they're all going to fit on the page. My friends, this is the stacked matchbook pocket page, and this is for day 43. So let me show you how it's going to open. The bottom one opens and you have several pages that you can write onto. The middle one opens and the same. And the top one opens as well. I can take the backing page and glue that into a journal, and this page is ready to go. I hope you like it. I think it turned out really unique and I'm very happy with it. Check out Cindy's channel today and see what she came up with. And I want to tell you guys, I appreciate you being here and following along. Thanks for watching. See you soon.